Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to use the JBL Vibe Beam to earbuds step by step.
Step 1. Charge the earbuds in the case until the LED light turns solid. Step 2. Open the charging case lid. Step 3. Take out both earbuds. They turn on automatically. Step 4. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Step 5. Select JBL Vibe Beam 2 from the Bluetooth list. Step 6. Wait for connected confirmation. Step 7. Place the earbuds in your ears and adjust for a snug fit. Touch controls. Basic Step 8. Tap once to play or pause music. Step 9. Tap twice to skip to the next track. Step 10. Tap and hold to answer or end calls. Power off charging. Step 11. Put the earbuds back into the charging case. Step 12. Close the lid. Earbuds power off and start charging. Reset earbuds. If not connecting, Step 13. Put both earbuds in the case. Step 14. Press and hold the case button for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 15. Reconnect via Bluetooth.